Many people know me as a musician. What if I told you there is more to my story? And I was liked, I was loved. I ate kabalagala like crazy. My grandmother, my grandfather would go digging, and me, I would spend time like as if I'm an inspector, just enjoying eating every mango, eating every banana, just enjoying. Join me in my maiden documentary, Voice of Grace by Judith Babirye, where I share my childhood. This is a moment of truth. You know what we used to say? This is a moment, amo. My teenage years, my adulthood, my transition to Canada that have shaped the woman that I am. Hold my hand, encourage one another. Let's walk this journey together. God bless you.